Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Mandy and that's Lloyd, and we're hungover, and today we're trying Indonesian McDonald's. Alright guys, we're doing it. We're going to Macca's, or we're going to McDonald's. What's the abbreviation that Indonesians use for Macca's? In Canada, we call it McDakes or Mickey D's. In Australia, they call it Macca's. Not sure what the abbreviation is in Indonesia, but we're doing it. We're a little bit hungover today. We've had a few drinks yesterday, and we thought this would be the perfect time for us to film going to Macca's, and we haven't had McDonald's since we left Australia and we're craving it. We try to eat more local food and not eat fast food but today's the day.
Usually when I'm hungover, KFC or something like that's my go-to.
Yeah, Lloyd loves chicken.
Yeah. Mandy's been talking about McDonald's for a long time since we've been here, but we don't get it ever, so today we're just going to give it a go. Even
in like Australia in regular time, we wouldn't normally get Macca's that often. There wasn't even one in Byron Bay where we lived previously. If you haven't seen our previous videos, it's not something we normally do, so it's sort of a treat for us. But we've seen that there's weird foods at McDonald's here.
Yeah, I'm just keen to see what it's like in comparison to Australia. Also, there's none in Canggu. We're about to jump into Gojek for, I think it's like 20 minutes away. In Legion.
So much commitment for a Big Mac. I'm getting a Big Mac. I don't care what you say.
Gojek drivers here.
Heading to Macca's.
How are you?
Hello.
Meal and a cheeseburger, which is what I'd usually get in Australia, and then I want to try like, I think they got like fried chicken sort of thing, and we'll see what the desserts like, and maybe some of their nasi goreng shits.
Yeah. I might get an apple pie. Do you think they have the apple pie?
No.
Is that a Canadian thing?
No, it's in Australia too. Oh. I don't think it's here. They definitely don't have protein.
Chicken parma. Wow, what?
No,
you
protein's
guys
at Macca's.
No, I know.
I was just naming.
I feel like they had a chicken parma burger at the Aussie one.
Yeah, they would.
They specialize in whatever the thing is in whatever country you're in.
Yeah, so here I think they'll have like nasi goreng or something. AM jetpack maybe.
Yeah, yum. We love AM jetpack.
That chicken porridge thing that we had?
Oh, I didn't like that.
Neither.
I'm not sure what that one's called, but it was not great.
When we're in quarantine, there was like a set menu that we had. It was only for 2 days, but one of the lunches was this like, it was like a rice pudding or porridge, and it was sweet.
Yeah, it was like oatmeal, sort of.
But it had pieces of fried chicken in it. It's pretty good.
And nuts on top. I didn't like it.
I liked it.
So we were gonna take the scooter to go to Macca's, but it's going to pour down rain very shortly. But you can actually drive through the drive-thru with a scooter, which I really wanted to do. But Lloyd decided against it because it's about to rain. Probably a good idea. But how cool is that? I had no idea that you could go through with a scooter. It's awesome.
Never really liked Burger King.
I dabbled in the Whopper here and there.
Never has been my thing, eh? It used to be called Hungry Jack's in Australia. It still might be in some places.
I think it is.
It's like both. It sucks.
Thank you. Have a good day. Yeah.
That looks sick. I am spicy.
Thank you.
Self-serve checkout.
Oh, that's good.
This looks exactly like an Australian McDonald's so far. What is it different?
We're not gonna be able to read any of it.
Apple pie.
White chocolate strawberry pie. I'm in. Do you want beef, fish, or chicken? Give me a Big Mac meal, please.
Which one do you think it is?
I don't know what that is. Okay, that was the right one.
Yeah. It's no quarter pounder.
What are you gonna get instead?
I don't know, I didn't really plan for this.
No quarter pounder. What a dilemma.
Might have to go a double cheeseburger or something.
Yeah, do it. Alright, that's what we got. Alright.
Oh, that was 160 pounds. Big Mac.
Big Mac? Oh.
And hurry up, because I'm hungry.
Oh my god. See that? Oh. Definitely tastes the same. If not better, because I haven't had one in so long. Oh. Okay. I'm not gonna eat more of that, otherwise I won't try anything else. That's really good. But I already knew that. I'm gonna try.
What was this called? Rice McD.
Rice McD. Rice Mackers. We've got some chicken, egg. I don't know if that's like barbecue sauce or something, it sort of looks like. Let's try it.
What is it?
It's sort of spicy, but I don't like it.
Is it gravy in it or something?
I don't like it. I don't like the sauce with it. Oh, it's very spicy actually.
Really?
I'm really surprised how spicy that is for McDonald's. Oh, you'll have to try that. Do you want to try it?
Yeah. It's really spicy.
Yeah, isn't it surprising?
It's spicier than that fried chicken we had the other day.
Yeah. I like the spice flavor, but I didn't like the like
It's alright.
sauce flavor.
It's not really what you come to McDonald's for.
No. Alright, what do you have there?
Double cheeseburger because they didn't have quarter pounders, which I thought everywhere had quarter pounders. It's yummy. It tastes like the same as Australia.
Yeah.
I used to always have to pickle it up, and I still kind of want to.
Waste a pickle. I love a pickle.
I don't really get why it's in there. Who decided that pickles go in burgers?
Canadians and Americans.
It's not that good.
They're so good.
I'm gonna take it out.
No, what do I? I'll have your pickle.
What size is chicken?
That's huge.
It was like $2, I think, for butter. Whoa. That's exactly like KFC. They would never do chicken that good at McDonald's in Australia, I don't think. Look how big it is.
I want to try. I'm jealous.
I'm gonna eat both.
Oh. Need a couple fries. McDonald's fries are the best. You can't fight me on this. Lloyd likes KFC fries better. Shit. Macca's are the best. Fight me on it. Alright, let's try this shit.
Why do you eat it like that?
It tastes better.
Just eat it.
I like
You always have to pick everything apart.
because I know what I'm eating then. You just eat everything random weird. This is really good though. 10 out of 10. I usually don't like meat with bones in it though. But it's really good. I'm picky. How good does that look?
I wonder if that's an Indonesian thing or if it's everywhere. We just haven't been to Macca's.
It's so long. We haven't really been up with the times. So all these things that we think are crazy could also just be everywhere, but I've never heard of this before and this sounds amazing. That was all pastry. I didn't get any filling.
It sounded like all pastry.
Yeah.
I wouldn't.
That was a disappointing first bite. I feel like there's all this... Oh, there we go.
I'd never eat that without ice cream, eh?
That's really nice. There's just...
Is there anything in it?
Yeah, in the middle, but there's just like not enough filling in it. Like, you know, like when you get an almond croissant and the creamy bit is like only in the middle. It's like that. I ate it. There was no stuffing in the middle, and there was no stuffing on the side. Do you like it?
It's pretty good. It's not enough filling.
No, I know. That's why I hate it from the side. It's pretty good though. Thank you.
It was pretty much almost exactly like McDonald's back then.
Yeah.
There's a few
Except
extra,
for the rice bowls.
Yeah, there's a few extra things on the menu, but and there's no quarter pounder.
You're still so salty about that.
It's the only thing I've been thinking about from McDonald's for months, but anyway.
Yeah. I got my Big Mac though, so that's all that matters.
Everything tasted pretty much the same. There's a few extra things on the menu, but it's definitely not a Balinese thing.
No. And the prices reflected, they were cheaper than Australia, but probably at par with Canada, honestly. or back when I lived in Canada, so maybe it's more expensive now, but
yeah, way more expensive than local
yeah,
food here.
so like it's not even really worth it because the local food's even like obviously better than eating there, so we probably won't go again, but it was still good to
Yeah, it's one of those
cure our
things.
hangovers with Macca's.
And now we know what Macca's is like here.
Yeah, good to know. If you have any suggestions for other fast food that you think we should try here, maybe another one's better than
Maybe KFC or something. Random.
just throwing it out there. Let us know down in the comments. Hello! Well, our hangovers are cured. Now we're very sleepy. We hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was fun to film.
Yeah, I think I ate too much, so I feel like shit now.
Yeah, we don't feel very good.
I didn't order all that food to eat it all, just to try it, but I ended up eating it all now. I feel sick.
Anyway, we have a podcast to record. If you haven't listened to it, we will link it down below. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye!